Net debt-free company, with 47% market share in India, and exports to more than 45 countries. Shriram Pistons and Rings Ltd, an automotive components manufacturer. Company has 5 decades of experience in manufacturing pistons, piston pins, piston rings, engine valves, and many other products. They serve clients from diverse industry segments and market its products to renowned OEM and aftermarket. The company was incorporated in 1972 and got public in 2016. They are based in New Delhi with more than 1,350 employees and 2,500 workers. Company has 6 manufacturing plants located in Alwar, Ghaziabad, Dhar, and Coimbatore, 1 research and development center, and 5 assembly units. The market cap of the company is 9,134 crore rupees and currently trading at 2,073 rupees per share. The company has a 25% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 70% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. In 2022, company formed wholly owned subsidiary, SPR Engineers, through which they acquired 62% stakes in SPR Takahata Precision, a leading precision injection molding parts manufacturer. They also acquired 66% stakes in SPR EMF Innovations, which provides solutions for EV segment. According to the industry report, the auto components industry in India is currently at $74 billion and is expected to reach $200 billion by fiscal year 2028, indicating high growth prospects. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There is a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 10 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company exports to more than 45 countries, with revenue concentration of 81% from domestic and 19% from exports. Some clients of the company are Tata, Mahindra, Honda, Hyundai, Bajaj, Royal Enfield, TAFE Tractors, Cummins, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, and more. About 37% of the revenue is generated from Europe, 22% from South America, 16% from the Middle East, 12% from North America, and 13% from other regions. Company has strong distribution network of more than 1,200 distributors and 22 logistics centers across the globe. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.